How to set up your MX-51 Eftpos Terminal on your PC or mobile phone and connect to AAAPOS RetailManager. Setting the MX-51 MXA as the home app on the Eftpos Terminal. The merchant can set the MX-51 MXA as the default app so that on completion of the transaction it returns to the app home screen. Please note that this setting may already be configured upon terminal delivery to the merchant. To set as default, navigate to Launcher menu. Tap on Apps and Notifications. Tap on Advanced. Tap on Default Apps. Tap on Home App. Select MX-51 MXA. If you are using your mobile phone as your Eftpos terminal, go to Play Store and download and install the Gecko Bank app. Please be aware that the name of this app may be different and based on your bank's terminal app. Please note, the Gecko Bank app will only work with Android devices. Activating your Eftpos terminal. First time launching the MX-51 MXA. Step 1. Open the MX-51 MXA. Step 2. Select Ready. Step 3. Wait for the self-activation to complete. Step 4. Select Next. Step 5. Select Review. Step 6. Accept the permissions prompts. Please note, the terminal should already be provisioned prior to merchant delivery. If the tenant has not provisioned the terminal, it will remain on the awaiting activation screen. Pairing with RetailManager. Open your browser and go to Spice Install and pair using the direct link shown below. Go to Step 1, Install Spice. Download the exe file for Spice and install it. Please note, this needs to be done on each PC that will have an Eftpos terminal. Once installed, go to your Eftpos device and select Menu. Select Manage POS Pairing. This screen will display current and previous pairings. Select Plus. On the POS, enter in the details displayed on the Eftpos screen. Then select Start on the Eftpos terminal and pair on the POS. Ensure the code displayed matches what is displayed on the POS and select Yes. Select Finish. Now go to RetailManager and select Setup, Hardware, Eftpos and select Spice from the drop-down box next to Institution and Model. Select Test next to Spice Port and select OK when you see Spice Port Test successful. Now select Apply and then Close. Making payment types in RetailManager electronic. To configure payment types to become electronic, go to Setup, Options, Payment Types. Here you will see a list of your payment types. To make a payment type electronic, simply double left-click on the payment type, which will open up a new window. Now select this payment type is electronic and select Allow Cash Out if your organization allows cash withdrawals for your customers. Then select OK. Do this for each payment type you want to become electronic and apply the changes when finished. And that's it. You are now ready to process MX-51 Eftpos payments on an Eftpos terminal or your Android device through RetailManager.